Hello and welcome. Today we have the question how to display the previous 1000 alarms in our WinCC Alarm Control. As we know or not, WinCC Alarm Control has the limit 1000 elements, so we can't display more than 1000 elements inside this WinCC Alarm Control. But in some cases we can use one options to display this before events and alarms. We can go to graphic designer. I prepared the two buttons previous and next. Inside WinCC Alarm Control we need to set two options. We need to set enable paging and we need to set, for example, 1000. In my will be just 10 because I don't have 1000 alarms. I put OK, and now if you run the WinCC runtime and if we go to long-term archive, we see we have only 10 elements, so our page is 10 elements. Now we can make the script. In script we can go through the previous or the next elements inside our WinCC Alarm Control. Let's make the previous. So our WinCC Alarm Control is Control 1, the name. So we need to put the events, mouse click and Visual Basic action. Let's say we need to create the dim. This AA is an object, and this object we need to find the screen items on our screen, and this element is alarm control 1, and we close. After we make this, we have possibility to go to properties of this control. So we have the AA dot and we should have some elements. We have the colors, but in some of cases we have also possibility to move to previous page. You see, it's the special function inside WinCC. Move to previous page. As we know, our page is 10, so we can go to previous 10 elements. I need to make the comments. Okay, we check syntax. Okay, no errors. So we go WinCC runtime. Okay, we go again to long term. As we see, we have the alarms. Now we can click the previous and you see my system is showing me previous elements, previous and previous. The same we can make also with the next. So I copy my script. The script is ready and I move to next. Okay, I will delete this, and after dot we have probably move to next page. So we have moved to next page. So we can control our WinCC Alarm Control and we can control this with previous and next page. We can set our page, for example, not 10, we can set our page 1000. So system will display 1000 when we go to long-term history, and after we push the previous, we display 1000 elements before now. So as we see, the previous is working and the next is also working. Okay, now we change our 10 to, for example, 70. Now apply OK and again we go to runtime. We have also elements. As we see, it's 70. Also we have here the number 70. Now if we go to previous, we have only 59. So I have not 70 again, so system showing me only 59 elements. Anyway, if you want to display the previous and next elements inside WinCC Alarm Control, you can make this with this simple script. Thank you for watching, subscribe this channel and see you again in next week. Bye.